Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can share your AirTag with someone else. So someone in your family, friends, how you can share that AirTag with them. So let's get right into it. Get out your phone and go into the Find My app. Right there, go to your items and then select the AirTag you want to share with someone. So something in your luggage, for example, you can select your luggage AirTag and then click on that AirTag. And then you can see it instantly. You see share this AirTag. Click on that, share with someone, and now if you share this AirTag with someone, they're able to locate the AirTag and they won't be notified if it's close to them. So if it's close to them, they won't be notified that it's lost, that it won't be beeping, and they will be able to track it as well. So this is awesome. If you're traveling with someone, you can use this to share it with other people you're traveling with. So then just click on continue, and then you can add different people. You can add multiple people as well if you want to share it with multiple people. If you're on vacation with multiple people, you can share it with your whole family, for example. And then just hit plus, and then you're able to share this AirTag with them and they can track it, plus they won't get notified. This is really good. Try it out, and if you have any more questions, just comment down below and make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you like this video.